Hello and welcome to my class. My name is Teacher Foster. Today we are looking at another question on partial fractions. Alright, now like I said in my previous videos, to tackle any partial fraction question, you need to look at the nature of the denominator. Now look at the nature of the denominator. This is repeating, linear is repeating. So we need to work on that. So if I'm expressing this as partial fraction, then this should be a over x minus 1 for this, but this is repeating. So b over 2x minus 1 plus c over 2x minus 1 squared. Alright, so let me proceed to solve this. Alright, so my 3x squared minus 1 over x minus 1, 2x minus 1 squared will be equal to, my denominator will be the same, x minus 1, 2x minus 1 squared. Alright, so this into the denominator will take care of this. That means I'll be left with a multiplying 2x minus 1 squared plus b. Now, b into this, I'll be left with this, but there is 2 of this, so that means that b is probably taking care of one of that. So I'll be left with b into bracket x minus 1, 2x minus 1, and plus c. C takes care of that. No, the denominator takes care of this, so I have c x minus 1. Alright, since my denominators are the same, I'll concentrate on the numerators. So 3x squared minus 1 is equal to a to bracket 2x minus 1 squared plus b, which is x minus 1, 2x minus 1 plus c, x minus 1. Alright, I need to find the constants a, b, and c. So I need to eliminate any of them. Now, looking at this, if I say that let x be equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, this will go off, this will also go off. So if my x is equal to 1, then 3 into bracket 1 squared minus 1 will be equal to a into bracket 2 times 1 minus 1 all squared. Then 1 times 1 is 0, so that takes everything away. 1 minus 1 is 0, so that takes everything away because it's multiplying. And 1 minus 1 is 0, that also eliminates c. So I'll have 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1. That's also 1. 1 squared will give me 1, so that's equal to a. So clearly my a is equal to 2. Alright, I want to find my b. I want to find b. So I would say that let x be equal to 1 over 2. If x is equal to 1 over 2, then that means 3 times 1 over 2 squared minus 1 is equal to a into bracket. Now let us see. 1 over 2, half of 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so my a will be gone. If I come here, the same thing. Half of 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, which will multiply everything, so that will also be gone. So I'll be left with half minus 1. So this will be equal to c into bracket 1 over 2 minus 1. Alright, this will give me 3 multiplying 1 over 4 minus 1 is equal to negative 1 over 2c, because half minus 1 is equal to negative half. Let's simplify this. 3 over 4 minus 1. Now write my 1 as 4 over 4. And that's equal to negative c over 2. Alright, this will give me negative 1 over 4. And that's equal to negative c over 2. I'll multiply both sides by 2. Negative 2. Negative 2. This should take care of this. And 2 here, 1, 2 here will give me 2. So I'm left with negative 1 times negative 1, that's positive 1 over 2. And negative c times negative 1, that should be a positive c. So that means that my c is equal to 1 over 2. Alright, so now I need to proceed and find b. I have my a, which is 2. I have my c, which is 1 over 2. So I need to find b. So I will now substitute the value of C and A into this equation to be able to find my B. So this means that 3x squared. Now, I also need to find a way of reducing the value of the x. So I'll say that I'll use any value of x, but let me use 2. So let x be equal to 2. If my x is equal to 2, then I have to substitute 2 in place of this. So that will give me 3 into bracket 2 squared minus 1. And that's equal to my a is 2. So that is 2. 2x minus 1. My x now is 2. So 2 times 2 will be 4 minus 1 squared. Then plus b. That's what I'm looking for. My x is 2. So 2 minus 1 will give me 1. My x is 2. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1. That will give me 3. Then plus c. My c is 1 over 2. Then x minus 1. My x is 2. So 2 minus 1 will give me 1. So there's no need to rewrite that. Okay. Now, 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 1 gives us 11. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3 plus b. That will give me 3b. Then plus 1 over 2. Alright, so I'm looking for b. 11 minus 18. And that's equal to 3b plus 1 over 2 will give me negative 7. And that is equal to 3b plus 1 over 2. Negative 7 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 3b. Negative, I want to have a denominator as 2, so this will be negative 14 over 2 minus 1 over 2. And that should be equal to 3b. Minus 14 minus 1 should give me minus 15 over 2. And this is equal to 3b. I'll multiply both sides by 1 over 3 to take care of the 3 attached to b. So 1 over 3. So this 3 will cancel this. 3 there 1. 3 into negative 15 is negative 5. So 1 times negative 5 should give me negative 5 over 2. And my b times 1 should give me b. So that is the value of my b, negative 5 over 2. So like I said in my previous video, you don't end here. You have to now substitute the values of a and b into the expression that we created. So let me just move this side. And so 3x squared minus 1 over x minus 1, 2x minus 1 squared will be equal to, I found my a to be 2. So that will be 2 over x minus 1. I found my b to be negative 5 over 2. So that is kind of this positive. So we can minus 5 over, now 2 times 2x minus 1. Then plus c. My c, as I found, was 1 over 2. My c is 1 over 2 years from here. So that means I have 1 over 2 multiplying 2x minus 1 squared. And that is our solution. So when we're expressing partial fraction, this is our solution. Thank you.